So we have a little show and tell before we begin. The first tableau, the first scene, it goes by in about 23 minutes. And at rehearsal 2, we'll comb the altos' hair, we'll do everything nicely for you with everyone at 82.
Wait, where's 82? Where are we starting?
A little faster and jollier. Don't cry, but that's okay. The soprano's singing too. Ready? Swan. At this point, don't honk.
Thank you.